Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad for fat loss. We'll focus on lean protein and smart ingredient choices. Start with about 6 ounces of cooked chicken breast, shredded or diced. For a creamy texture without excess calories, use plain Greek yogurt or a light mayonnaise. Adding healthy fats, like 1/4 of an avocado, provides satiety and essential nutrients. Now, let's enhance the flavor and add volume without extra calories. Incorporate crisp vegetables like 1 cup of finely chopped celery and red onion. Fresh herbs such as dill or parsley add a wonderful aroma and taste. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the entire salad, making it more refreshing and delicious. It's time to bring all these wonderful ingredients together. In a large bowl, gently combine your prepared chicken, creamy base, vegetables, and herbs. Mix thoroughly to ensure every piece is coated with the dressing. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed for your perfect flavor profile. Your delicious, fat loss-friendly chicken salad is ready to enjoy. Serve it in crisp lettuce cups, on whole grain crackers, or as a side dish. For meal prep, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays fresh for up to 3 days, making healthy eating convenient and helping you stay on track with your goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.